2008 Jeep JK, the 3.0-liter engine, 6-speed manual transmission. Yesterday with great results. I took the heat gun that you see there. It's a Wrangler model 300 Furno, and I used it to turn the bumper, which was totally weathered with age, color gray, back to black. Well, I'm going to do the same thing with the fenders. And you can see this is the before. The fenders are all gray, and I will make them black. I'm also going to do the same with the hood latches too. See how that works out. And this is the bumper up close with the heat gun that I used. Figured, cosmetically the Jeep will look nice and pretty like. And this is the gun, heat gun, Wrangler 300 Furno, $25 at Home Depot. It took me about probably 40 minutes too long to make this black turn this bumper into this color right here. But I didn't feel like buying a brand new one, and I had some time on my hands. This is the Jeep overall, sitting in the garage. You can see, and I'll do more. I'll update some more videos on the Jeep as time allows. And I still have the old standby. Whoops, sorry there, a little out of focus. I still have the old standby Ford Ranger that I've had for a numerous amount of years. It's my 1999 Ford Ranger, 4-wheel drive, XLT, extended cab. This has been a tough survivor. So anyway, time to get back to work. Have a good day. Have a good Jeeping day.